Finding your BSB number on the Commonwealth app is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, visit combank.com.au in your web browser. Here, scroll down till the end of the page and click on Help and Support. A BSB is a 6-digit number that identifies banks and branches across Australia. You can use the locator to find the BSB of a specific branch. Just type in the branch code, then click on the branch you need the BSB for. You can also see the BSB number for each of your accounts in NetBank. When you want to transfer money to someone, you will need the recipient's BSB as well as their account number. And you will need to give your BSB and account number to anyone transferring money to you. It's a good practice to take a note of the BSB number or take a screenshot for future reference. If you encounter any difficulties or are unable to locate your BSB number, it's advisable to contact Commonwealth Bank's customer support for guidance and assistance.